aquaponics has grown quite popular these past few years as more people are venturing into it. You enjoy so many benefits from using aquaponics. If you are thinking of where to buy fish for your aquaponics, we will let you know in this video. As a farmer, engaging in aquaponics will yield great rewards as you will enjoy 8 times crop production, reduction in waste, reduction in chemical use, and a whole lot of benefits. Fish is an important component of the aquaponics system, and on the next slide are the places you can buy fish for aquaponics. Where to buy fish for aquaponics? You can buy aquaponics fish from the following. 1. Fish farm. You can buy fish for your aquaponics at a local fish farm near you. 2. Reliable stores online. You can as well buy fish for your aquaponics from a reliable online store. It is absolutely possible to have a live fish transported to your doorstep. Just make sure you choose a reliable online store that has a guarantee. Also, you should make sure you're home when your packed live fish is delivered to you. Don't allow it to linger on your front porch. If you won't be home, you can at least make available someone that will receive your live fish. This is so the live fish can be immediately put in their appropriate conditions at once for the most appropriate health conditions. You should also have in mind that not all fish are legal to purchase in some regions. Ensure you make adequate findings from your local fish farming laws about the type of fish you wish to buy. Make sure they are legal to purchase. Where you can buy fish for aquaponics. LivyAquaponics.com, JonesFish.com, GreenHillGardens.com. Some info about aquaponics. Let's take a quick look at what an aquaponics system entails. Aquaponics is the combination of aquaculture and hydroponics cultivation. To set up an aquaponics system, you will need 4 main components, which include a tank, a grow bed, a fish, and plants. The fish in your aquaponics system contributes greatly because they will be the primary source of nutrient for your cultivated plants. The plants as well play a part in taking up waste produced by the fishes. Setting up a great and rewarding aquaponics system will require you to take into account some factors. Choosing the best fish for aquaponics. Selecting and pairing the right type of fish with your vegetables is very crucial. This will ensure the success of your aquaponics setup and you will enjoy abundant yield. The next slides are some recommended fish you can buy for your aquaponics. Recommended fish to buy for aquaponics. Here are the fish we recommend you can buy for your aquaponics. Tilapia. The edible tilapia is the most popular and common fish species used especially for beginners in aquaponics. It is the most accessible fish to purchase in most parts of the world. Tilapia fish is hardy, very adaptable, and resistant to many parasites and pathogens. Salmon. This is another great edible healthy fish for your aquaponics. Salmon is hardy and they can coexist in a friendly manner with other fish. The downside is that tilapia is not so resistant to disease as other fish. Koi. The attractive koi fish is an ornamental fish. Although it is not edible, it is a great fish for your aquaponics as they are resistant to parasite and disease, has a long lifespan, and can thrive in a wide range of temperatures. Trout. Trout is a very easy fish to raise in your aquaponics. They are delicious fish to eat and filled with healthy food benefits such as omega fatty acids and proteins. Catfish. Another great edible fish you can buy for your aquaponics is catfish. Catfish is a very hardy and easy fish to raise especially for beginners and resistant to many parasites and diseases. What is the best fish to use for aquaponics? Tilapia is the best fish recommended for this purpose. In aquaponics, the primary concern is that the fish don't eat each other. So, the more aggressive the fish, the better. But this isn't always the case, because there are some fish that will attack a larger fish in order to defend their territory. The system will be used as a food source and also for keeping frogs. The water will be kept at 75 degrees. Aquaponic systems are really quite simple. They consist of 2 main parts, the grower fish and the filter. The grower is fed organic waste, and the waste from the fish is collected in a container and is then composted. Fish can eat the waste from the system and do not need to be cleaned. What are some advantages of aquaponics? Aquaponics is a system where a combination of fish and plants are grown together. The plants provide the nutrients that the fish need, and the fish clean the water for the plants. Aquaponic systems are very simple to build and maintain, and require little maintenance. They are also very low cost compared to other methods of growing fish and plants together. This means that you can have a system with fish and use the same tank for the plants. Fish do not have to be separated from plants to grow them together. You can keep your plants and fish in the same container, and the fish will clean the water for your plants. You can feed your plants using the fish waste. The fish waste contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are needed by the plants. When the plants are finished, you can harvest the plants and use them as fertilizer for your garden. You can use the fish waste to fertilize your plants. If you have a pond, you can use it to grow your plants. How big of a tank do you need for aquaponics? I would recommend at least 50 gallons. If you are new to aquaponics, you will most likely start out with a smaller system. The first thing to think about is your available space and the amount of food you would like to grow in your system. There are several different sized tanks that will work for you depending on how much food you want to grow and what size of fish you have. Aquaponic systems are the combination of aquaculture and hydroponics. The aquaculture part is harvesting fish, like tilapia, in a tank. The fish poop out nutrients that the plants can absorb. The hydroponics part is growing plants in water, without soil. They get their nutrients from the water. The system combines both systems, so you have the benefits of each. It's a win-win. In an aquaponic system, the fish poop out the nutrients, which then gets absorbed by the plants. Buying and selecting the appropriate fish for your aquaponics is crucial for the success of your aquaponics. With aquaponics, you get to farm smarter as your plants grow faster and in plenty. Another thing to note is that it's important to maintain a clean and healthy environment for the aquaponics system. This way, your fish and plants get a chance to thrive and you reduce the risk of any diseases that can infect both your fish and plants. We recommend you select fish that can flourish in your location and climate. Supply and feed your fish with the appropriate foods for both the health of your fish and plants and also for your consumption. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.